Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel Info Tech People. This is episode 2 of our brand new series on how to install PowerMTA with VestaControl Panel and Mailwizz email marketing application. In this episode we will learn how to install VestaControl Panel on CentOS Linux distribution. For this tutorial purpose, we will use domain name, mailingapps.club. And we already buy a VPS 300 package from Contavo and its main IP is 173.212.207.19. Before we start installation of VestaControl Panel, install WinSCP and PuTTY. These are the details of VPS and domain name which we are using. Now open WinSCP. Write IP address of VPS in host name. Port 22 is standard SSH port, so it's remain unchanged. Username should be root. Enter password of VPS root. Save these details in WinSCP. You can write anything in site name to remember the session. Check save password and click save. Now click login. Along with WinSCP, a PuTTY session is also created with stored root password. When you log in first time to any VPS, a warning of potential security breach will display. You must click update. This is a PuTTY SSH terminal window and we already log in as root in VPS. First we check what is the host name of VPS at the moment. Issue command host name. As you can see, the default host name is displaying from Contavo. To change the host name, we must edit file hosts in etc folder. We will use VI default text editor. Now we are in file editor. To enable file editing, click I. Go to third line and edit host name against our VPS IP2. server.mailingapps.club. You can paste text in editor by clicking right mouse button. Now click tab button and write server. Now save this file by clicking escape button. Then type :+W+Q and click enter to save the file. Now edit file network. Inside etc sysconfig folder. And edit host name as server.mailingapps.club. Now save this file by clicking escape button. Then type :+W+Q and click enter to save the file. Now we will check our CentOS version by typing command cat/etc/issue. We have CentOS 6.10 final version, but it is frequently update, so we will update it by issuing command yum-y update. Please note that this update process may take some minutes, depends on how old is the version of operating system. Now update is completed. Please note that we must reboot the VPS to update the host name. Now we have to point our domain name mailingapps.club to our VPS. Our domain name is registered in namecheap.com. We are logged into namecheap.com account and managing our domain name mailingapps.club. Name server default is Namecheap Basic DNS. Click on Advanced DNS. Here we will create our own personal DNS server with our VPS main IP. The purpose of creating these name server is to manage DNS records at our VPS. In personal DNS server, click on Add Name Server. Select NS1. Paste IP address of VPS. And click Done. Now again click on Add Name Server. Select NS2. Paste IP address of VPS. And click Done. Now click on Search to check our personal name server which we added. You can see 2 records are there. Now we have to change the name server of this domain. Copy NS1 record from here. Click on domain. In name servers section select custom DNS. And paste NS1 and NS2 records which we created in personal name server. Click on Save button. Now back to VPS and open WinSCP and select VPS. Click on Login. Now we are logged in to both WinSCP and PuTTY. Now check CentOS version by typing command cat/etc/issue. We have CentOS 6.10 final version. Now check hostname. And you can see the hostname is successfully changed to server.mailingapps.club. Now we are going to install VestaControl Panel. Visit Vesta website www.VestaCP.com. VestaControl Panel is an open source hosting control panel, which can be used to manage multiple websites, create and manage email accounts, FTP accounts, and MySQL databases, manage DNS records and more. Click on Install. First we need to install script of VestaCP. Copy this command and paste in SSH to download the script. Now script is downloaded in our server. Now we will generate install command with required components. Select Apache as web. FTP should be Pro FTPD. All other options should remain same. Select file quota system to yes. Hostname should be same as our VPS hostname server.mailingapps.club. Email you can set any. Password you can set as desired. Now click Generate Install command. Copy whole command. And run it in PuTTY command shell. Now automatic installation will start after your confirmation. Review the software list and type Y to start installation. Installation will take some time and it depends on the server resources like processor, RAM and network speed. Now we are pausing the video and will back after installation completed. Welcome back. VestaControl Panel is successfully installed. Copy Vesta URL by clicking right mouse button. And paste in your browser to access. Ignore the security message because we are accessing URL without SSL certificate. Click Advanced. Click Proceed to server.mailingapps.club, unsafe. This is VestaControl Panel login page. Username is admin. And password is same as we set in Generate Install command. Click Login to enter. Here we will configure VestaCP. During installation of VestaCP, a system admin user is created in our server's operating system. Click Edit to change settings as per our need. We created personal name server for our domain name in namecheap.com. You must write those name servers here. ns1.mailingapps.club, ns2.mailingapps.club, click Save. Now you can see the changes are made in name servers. Next is web domains. You can see server.mailingapps.club is already created by default because this domain is used to access VestaControl Panel. Now we need to add our main domain, mailingapps.club. Click Add Web Domain. Write mailingapps.club in domain section. IP address should be the main IP address of VPS. Options of DNS and mail support remain selected. Click Add. Now all the necessary DNS records will be added automatically. Now click on DNS. Click on List 14 records. These are the necessary DNS records which VestaCP added automatically, including personal name servers. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Now click on Mail to create some email accounts. Click on List 0 account inside mailingapps.club. Click Add Mail Account. Write Bounce in Account section. And your desired password in Password section. Click Add to create this account. Now we will add another account, marketing@mailingapps.club. You can see on right side all the information of this account is listed which you need to access this mailbox in any mail client like Outlook. Click Back button. Now you can see the two accounts are listed here. Click on Server. Now you can see all the services are running. Now test your domain to access in browser. Oh, we have some problems. Go back to VestaCP and restart named services. Named service is failed to restart and it means we missed some records. Now check DNS records of mailingapps.club domain. Click on List 14 records. Well, we forget to add name server address records. Click Add DNS records. Write NS1 in records section. Types remains A and it stand for address. Write the main IP address of our VPS in IP and value section. Click Add to add this DNS record. Don't worry about this error and click OK. Click back to check the record is added or not. And you can see it's added. Now again add new address record for NS2 with same VPS IP. One more address record required for server.mailingapps.club with main IP. Now all required DNS records are added. Click on Server, and restart named service. Great. Now service is started without any error. Now go back to browser and click refresh button. You can see now the VestaCP default homepage, which means everything is worked fine. Thanks for watching this part of tutorial and stay tuned for episode 3. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Info Tech People.